Guys, I open this. Before I start this video, I have this squishy, then I have this gun, then a knife, then this. There are some questions here, except for this one because it had a toy. See? Now let's open this. Let's open this, guys. I'll just use my scissors to open it. And I did this already. I said it where to go. Let's see, what is this? Ooh! Okay. Let's see what we got for today. We got this. Then this. Where's the... Oh, okay. Here's the gun. Where's the knife? Oh, here it is. Then the last one is the official toys. Look. So this, guys, look. I have... Do you know what that I got? I'll show you. Let's see. This is what I got. I opened this earlier. So you rate this pink one 1 out of 10. You tell this in the comments and tell the name. Tell the color. Then this one, rate this as well. Then this one. Then this. Tell me if this is a rare or other rarity. I don't know. Then this gun. Also tell me in the comments if they are a rare or something different. Okay, bye. No, I'm just kidding. And rate this toy. This is an official thing. These markers, I use acrylic markers. Look, I'll show you. It doesn't bleed in. See? These markers doesn't bleed in. And there was a tissue inside of this. So squishy. This is a squishy. And this one too. I'm gonna throw these all away. You'll see me, I'll throw them. Because I'm done. Because I opened the blind bag. Now time to throw it.
George, can you hear?
My sister's watching Peppa Pig. Nah, that's okay. Look at my sister. Look at my sister. Just look at her watch, Peppa Pig.
Daddy, I just moved my slippers.
There's a flood in my house, guys. There's a flood. I'll show you. There's a flood. There's a flood. Look, guys. There's a flood. Guys, there's a flood in my house. Guys, just look. If you cannot see it, I'll just tell you there's a flood in my house. And it's flooding in this country, the Philippines. I don't know what should I do, but see you later. This is my video, so bye guys. Bye-bye.